Overwatering and underwatering kill more houseplants than pests. But this method? It just works, every time. Whether you are a new plant parent or someone who has lost more houseplants than you care to admit, the truth is, watering mistakes are the #1 reason indoor plants struggle. It is not that you do not care. It is just that most people do not know how much water their plants actually need, or how to deliver it the right way. Let us be honest. Standard watering is kind of a guessing game. You pour water from the top, watch it sink into the soil, and hope the roots got enough without drowning. But here's the problem. Surface watering can be uneven, especially if the soil is compacted or dry. The water may pool on top, run down the sides of the pot, or fail to reach the roots entirely. And if you overdo it, you risk root rot, the silent killer of houseplants. Now imagine a method that gives the plant exactly what it needs, right when it needs it, without overdoing it. That method is called bottom watering, and it is surprisingly simple. Here is how it works. Instead of watering from the top, you place your potted plant into a shallow tray or basin filled with water. The pot must have drainage holes at the bottom. Over the next 20 to 30 minutes, the soil slowly soaks up the water from the bottom, drawing it up through the drainage holes by capillary action, just like a sponge. This allows the moisture to spread evenly through the soil, reaching the root zone without oversaturating it. The plant takes up just the amount of water it needs, no more, no less. After 30 minutes, you remove the pot, let any excess water drain out, and place it back in its spot. That is it. No mess. No guessing. So why does this work so well? First, bottom watering encourages healthy root development. When water comes from below, roots grow downward to chase that moisture, making the plant stronger and more stable. Second, it prevents surface mold and fungus, which often show up when the top layer stays too damp for too long. And third, it reduces the risk of pests like fungus gnats, which love moist soil surfaces. This method is especially great for plants like peace lilies, pothos, ferns, calatheas, and African violets. Basically any plant that likes consistently moist but not soggy soil. It also works beautifully for houseplants in plastic nursery pots placed inside decorative containers, or cache pots. Just lift out the inner pot, place it in water, and let nature do the rest. Now you might be wondering, how do you know when it is time to water again? Here is a simple closing tip. Use the finger test or, better yet, a moisture meter. Stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it is time to water. Or insert a moisture meter to get a more accurate reading. Remember, every plant has its own rhythm. Some may need water every 5 days, others every 10. But when you use bottom watering, you are giving your plant a chance to take in what it actually needs, at its own pace. So here is your action step. Pick one houseplant and try bottom watering today. Grab a bowl or a sink basin, add a few inches of water, and let your plant soak it in from below. You will notice within a few days that your leaves look more vibrant, your soil stays balanced, and your plant just feels healthier overall. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a like and tell us in the comments which houseplants you are growing. And do not forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell. Water smarter, grow better. Happy planting!